Hello everyone, welcome to my iTechHub YouTube channel. Today in this video I will show you send snaps are not being saved by friends. So friends, lot of Snapchat users are reported that save in chat option isn't showing in Snapchat on their iPhone and Android phones. So in this video we will see how to fix send snaps aren't being saved by friends. So the first solution is change snap settings in your Snapchat. So firstly open Snapchat on your device and take a snap. Now here you can see timer icon at the right side. Tap on it. Now scroll down and select for no limit. Okay, here in the no limit option you can also see that snaps set to no limit may be saved in chat by friends. Now tap on send and select people for sending snap. So that's how easily you can fix the issue and send snaps with save in chat option. Now we'll go for second solution. The second solution is update your Snapchat to latest version. So first of all go to Play Store or App Store on your device. Now here in the search bar search for Snapchat. Here, if update option is available, then update your Snapchat to the latest version. Now we'll go for the third solution. The third solution is clear cache and clear data of your Snapchat app on your device. So first of all, tap and hold on Snapchat. Then tap on App Info. Now here, tap on Storage Usage. Next here you can see that clear cache and clear data option. Tap on it. So these simple steps you have to follow. Now we'll go for last solution. Last solution is install the old version of your Snapchat. Now tap and hold on Snapchat, then tap on uninstall. So you will get a pop-up of uninstall Snapchat app. Then simply tap on uninstall. Next you have to go to Chrome browser and here search for this website. And also the link is available in video description. Here scroll down and tap on the version of 11th August 2022. Now you will get download option. Simply tap on it. So that's how easily you can fix the issue in 4 ways. Hopefully this video will be helpful for you all. If still you can't fix the issue, please do comment in comment box. So friends, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.